Nidhi Jain, and guys, today we are up with a new video, and this whole video is all about self-introduction. So what is self-introduction and why we are making on it? So self-introduction is something which is a main, you can say, a root of any language. So here we have come up with a self-introduction. So there will be two parts. First will be of A1 and A2, and then self-introduction, how you can say in B1, B2. So we have created this video, and I think so it will be super helpful for you if you are in A1, A2 or B1, B2, because this is a mandate video. So guys, make sure to watch this video, make sure to subscribe YouTube channel, and if you are watching for the very first time, my name is Nidhi Jain, I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, like whatever you can think around German. German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So make sure to subscribe, and let's start with the video.
Let's learn German self-introduction according to A1-A2 level and B1-B2 level. First, we will discuss the introduction according to the German A1 and A2 level. So let's see how you can introduce yourself using German A1 and A2 level. There are three ways for telling the name. So you can use Ich heiße Monika Schmidt, or Ich bin Monika, or My Name ist Monika Schmidt. But please remember, whenever you are telling your name to a formal person, please tell your surname also. Ich komme aus Deutschland und wohne in Berlin in einer WG. Means I come from Germany and live in a shared apartment in Berlin. Ich bin 23 Jahre alt. Means I am 23 years old. Like this, you can tell your age also. Ich spreche Deutsch und Englisch und lerne gerade noch eine andere Sprache. Means I speak German and English and I'm currently learning another language. Or you can also say Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. Means I speak little bit of German. Like this, you can tell to someone which all languages you speak. Ich arbeite Teilzeit als Lehrerin, bin aber auch selbstständig. Means I work part-time as a teacher, but I'm also self-employed. Let's say if you are not working anywhere, then you can simply say Ich bin Student. Momentan suche ich eine neue Stelle. Means at the moment I'm looking for a new job. Here Stelle means job. Ich bin ledig und habe keine Kinder. Means I'm single and have no children. In meiner Freizeit höre ich gerne Musik und sehe Fern. Means in my free time I like to listen to music and watch TV. Meine Hobbys sind Reisen und Lesen. Means my hobbies are traveling and reading. Now let's learn the introduction according to B1 and B2 level. In this level, we will be using more complex sentences and we will be telling about ourselves in more detail. So let's start the introduction. Guten Tag, mein Name ist Anna Meyer. Ich komme ursprünglich aus einer kleinen Stadt in Bayern, lebe aber seit 5 Jahren in Hamburg. Means, good day, my name is Anna Meyer. I originally come from a small town in Bavaria, but I have been living in Hamburg for 5 years. So now, if you notice, you will come to know that when we were speaking about ourselves in A1 and A2, then we were dividing all these sentences differently. But now in B1 and B2 level, you don't need to divide the sentences differently. You can tell about yourself in a single sentence. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt und wohne in einer WG mit 2 Freunden im Stadtzentrum. Means I am 25 years old and live in a shared apartment with 2 friends in the city center. Ich arbeite als Projektmanagerin in einer IT-Firma. Besonders spannend finde ich die Arbeit in internationalen Teams, weil ich dabei viel lernen kann. Means I work as a project manager in an IT company. I find working in international teams particularly exciting because I can learn a lot from it. Ich habe einen Bachelorabschluss in Betriebswirtschaftslehre, den ich an der Universität München abgeschlossen habe. Means I have a bachelor's degree in business administration which I completed at the University of Munich. Außerdem habe ich eine Ausbildung als Bürokauffrau gemacht, die sehr hilfreich war. Means I also completed training as an office clerk which has been very helpful. Mein Tag beginnt meistens um 6:30 Uhr. Nach der Arbeit gehe ich oft ins Fitnessstudio oder arbeite an meinen Sprachkenntnissen. Means my day usually starts at 6:30 a.m. After work, I often go to the gym or work on my language skills. Sprachkenntnissen means language skills. Manchmal treffe ich auch Freunde oder erledige Einkäufe. Means sometimes I also meet friends or do some shopping. In meiner Freizeit lese ich gern Romane, sehe Filme und reise in europäische Städte. Means in my free time I enjoy reading novels, watching movies or traveling to European cities. Am Wochenende mache ich oft Radtouren oder fotografiere Landschaften. Diese Fotos teile ich in meinem Reiseblog. Means on weekends I often go on bike tours or take landscape photographs. I share these photos on my travel blog. Meine Muttersprache ist Deutsch und ich spreche fließend English. Means my native language is German and I speak fluent English. Instead of German, you can also say your own native language. For example, meine Muttersprache ist Hindi und ich spreche fließend English. Means my native language is Hindi and I speak fluent English. Zurzeit lerne ich Spanisch, weil ich gerne Lateinamerika bereisen möchte. Vielleicht lerne ich bald auch Italienisch. Means I am currently learning Spanish because I would like to travel to Latin America and I might also learn Italian soon. Ich liebe es, neue Kulturen kennenzulernen. Deshalb besuche ich oft Museen, Kunstausstellungen und Konzerte. Means I love getting to know new cultures, which is why I often visit museums, art exhibitions and concerts. Besonders klassische Musik und moderne Kunst gefallen mir. Means I particularly enjoy classical music and modern art. Vor kurzem habe ich meinen Führerschein gemacht und eine Weiterbildung im Bereich Projektmanagement abgeschlossen. Means recently I got my driver's license and completed further training in project management. Diese Weiterbildung hat mir geholfen, meine Fähigkeiten zu verbessern. Means this training helped me improve my skills. In den nächsten Jahren möchte ich in einem internationalen Unternehmen arbeiten und noch weitere Sprachen lernen. Means in the coming years I would like to work in an international company and learn even more languages. Mein Ziel ist es auch, neue Kulturen zu entdecken und beruflich weiter zu kommen means my goal is also to explore new cultures and advance my career. So, this was the introduction in German language according to B1 and B2 level. Now, as we have learned the introduction, let's learn some other hobbies and professions which you can use according to you. So, the first word for hobbies is lesen, means reading, schwimmen means swimming, Musik hören means listening to music, Reisen means traveling, Kochen means cooking, Sport treiben means doing sports, Tanzen means dancing, Fotografieren means photography, Malen means painting, Gärtnern means gardening. So these were the hobbies which you can also use. Now, after learning hobbies, let's learn some professions in German language. First one is Lehrer means teacher, Arzt means doctor, Ingenieur means engineer, Anwalt means lawyer, Musiker means musician. Koch means chef, Verkäufer means salesperson, Krankenpfleger means nurse, Architect means architect, Friseur means hairdresser. So these were some of the professions which you can use. And please remember, if you are a male, for example, if you are a male teacher, then say Lehrer, but if you are a female teacher, then use the word Lehrerin.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed the introduction of A1-A2 and B1-B2. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.